Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss class 6 second chapter, file management and organization of data. In this chapter we have to discuss how to manage our file and folder and how to organize our data in a computer. This is practical based chapter. First we will discuss all the topic which we have to learn today, and then after we will go for the practical. Files. What is a file? File is an item in the computer that is used to store information. To store information, the place we use, that is called file. Information can be anything, either document, movie, music and image. Next is folders. Folder is a container of your files. A place where a collection of files is stored, that is called folder. Every file is stored in a folder or a subfolder. Subfolder means a folder within a folder. Next is organization of data. How we will organize our data is how we will manage, rename, delete and many more. And then after it is a practical, creating a folder, renaming a folder. So let us start our practical of how to create a folder, how to rename a folder, how to delete a file and folder. First we will discuss how to create a folder. This is the desktop area. My cursor is here. Now you have to right click from your mouse. Right click. There's a two button in a mouse, right click and left click. You have to click right, and then after this pop-up menu will come and you have to go in the new option. Here's the new option. After clicking the new option, again the pop-up menu will come and go to the folder. After folder, you have to click left click. For selecting anything, click left, and for a pop-up menu, click right. Then left click a folder will create like this. Click here and double click, then you can see a folder has created. Again I am repeating, right click, a pop-up menu will come, go to the new, then folder, and then click left click and the folder will create. And now you can here change the name also if you want to change. If you want to write anything you can, and then open it. And now this is the folder. Within a folder again we will create a one folder which is called subfolder. See, in a folder we have created the another folder which is called subfolder. And after creating a folder, we can store anything, documents, image, music, and that documents, image, music is called files. Next topic is to rename file and folder. Here new folder 2 and the another folder I have created with the name. If I want to change the name, we can easily change. What we have to do, go to the folder like this and then click right click. A pop-up menu will come. In the second last you can see the rename option is given. Then click in this rename option, and after clicking you can see name will be highlighted, and then click on the backspace and write any name that you want to write, and then click here. Next topic is how to delete file and folder. Same thing you have to do. Go to the folder, then right click in the third last delete option is here. Click on that third and the folder will be delete, and again the folder has deleted. Next topic is transferring a data. There's a two method to transfer data. First, copy and paste. Copy and paste means the data Copy and paste means when you want to keep the original file and folder and also want to get the copy of this file and folder in some other place. And cut and paste means removing the original data and copying in the other place. So let's see how we can use copy and paste and cut and paste. First, if I want to copy anything, like I want to copy this document, right click, there's a copy option, copy, and then wherever you want to paste. See, this Priya file came here. If I want to copy this one, right click, copy, then where you want to paste it, paste. And if you want to delete, right click, delete, right click, delete. Next is cut and paste. If I want to cut this file from here and want to paste in another place, right click, first you have to copy it, then right click, cut, and then right click and paste. Now you can see from here the file is deleted and now this file came here. So this is the method to copy and paste and cut and paste. Hope these all topics are clear. Next day we will discuss how to search our file and folder and other topic. Thank you. You have to do a practice in your home, in your computer and laptop, and any doubt you can ask, and next class we will discuss again then how to do. Now you have to practice how to create a folder, within a folder which is called subfolder, keeping a files in a folder, and deleting the file, renaming the file, and copy and paste. Thank you.